The study group was commissioned to examine all the facts, evidence, lies, and deception and discover the truth of the alien question.
Las Vegas, Nevada, Area 50.
Jesus also said there would be the birth of a strange phenomenon in the atmosphere. I believe that unidentified flying objects are part of what Jesus could have meant by these strange signs in the atmosphere.
Polydactyly humanoid popped up on the stretcher, the six-finger freakazoid. So run and go get your boys. An alien autopsy, turvy, a millennium story, top secret shit. But I know the cameraman, he's in Miami and I got the footage, 23-minute photo shoot. Slick hat out a Martian suit.
Baby, Area 52.
Amazing mummified presidents and cryogenic pyramids built by the robotic Grand Poobah, the strongest branch of masonry. Discovers a national velvet painting of astrophysicist Stephen Hawking strangling an ethnic portrayal of Jesus in a carbon atom. Is it Mick Jagger in a wheelchair, tastefully reenacting his impression of Christopher Reeve after being exposed to the sorrow of kryptonite, which Lex Luthor single-handedly planted. Arch enemy of Superman and closet band of Motley Crue. Pamela Lee Anderson going above and beyond the Call of Duty by implanting life-saving devices into her chest to save David Hasselhoff's drowning career, which is due to his inability to pay the high cost of liability insurance of the kit car.
Due to the recent outside media attention, Area 52 has changed location. Can't drive 51 into San Diego weekend, which Hagar's brand new to prove invention and incurable infection spread so Jack Leviathan or Ropies with similar silicone rest. At the second coming up, guys, I had a right invention you make. It's no secret that I'm an agent of the get along gang. Alien of orangutan, brains brain in the stainless steel skeletal frame, all in the non-existing place where they chill with Will Smith and burn the nuclear waste and keep those rubber mummified Martian dummies on ice. Could it be those things supposed to be ET? It's just the front to cover up the bad operations they conduct on the human doubles. Let me tell you, it's the devil, still in denial. While the federal deficit spends the national debt to send Bigfoot back to the future to elect Michael J. Biden president. MC Hammer said it best. You can't touch this in the funky government. I wouldn't touch it with some 10-foot microchips.
Regardless of what they may say, 10 days we'll be stealing her nose. Carpet bombing home they won't stop victim maintenance in pantyhose. Who hold the smiles we waste like the waist of some girl from concentrate. To squeeze out life the football way, like if you wrung your own neck, pissed out the piss in your veins. Long brains, eating out of box, zero out of beef, and out of cutting, coding, it's every money now. So with the high fit side, fit shit out the suit, total. I don't believe in politics, I threaten pictures, the kitchen knives, the substitute teachers who threaten to sit on me. I don't believe in politics, I threaten pictures, the kitchen knives, the substitute teachers who threaten to sit on me. I don't believe in politics, I threaten pictures, the kitchen knives, the substitute teachers who threaten to sit on me. I don't believe in politics, I threaten pictures, the kitchen knives, the substitute teachers who threaten to sit on me. I don't believe in politics, I threaten pictures, the kitchen knives, the substitute teachers who threaten to sit on me. I don't believe in politics, I threaten pictures, the kitchen knives, the substitute teachers who threaten to sit on me. I don't believe in politics, I threaten pictures, the kitchen knives, the substitute teachers who threaten to sit on me. I don't believe in politics, I threaten pictures, the kitchen knives, the substitute teachers who threaten to sit on me.
Let us be thankful we have an occupation to fill. Work hard, increase production, prevent accidents, and be happy.
Top Gun scouts go down and back, horn breathing cage to claim their prizes, singing cops and dialysis, upset the balance of the thunder hammer. We those building mini NORADs, only knows button rubber motors handmade, while the fitting wire hang propeller hook, a plastic dowel and a number prepared to only use the parts included in your rubber band powered spaceship derby kit. One model rocket, fun to build, fun to race. The ever-ending auto Uno player autumn evening on the fucking porch by the above ground fucking pool. Birds in the congestion frozen frame this perfect day. One model rocket, fun to build, fun to race. The ever-ending auto Uno player autumn evening on the fucking porch by the above ground fucking pool. Birds in the congestion frozen frame this perfect day.
It's just no cheating on a before photo. It's all poker in the flying car, choking on our lucky numbers in the hell of a highlights. Puzzle champagne and cold dust, statues in the state starting point to the end game grid. Our baby's new owner operators of the slow love for fellow window dressers. Hey sweetheart, hey livestock, the sterilized initiative just doesn't sit right. Our kids will make medicine together in the shrink ray, smokestack, steakhouse, worry boys in our prayers, dirt, sunset, stun gun, nuns on suicide watch, fast asleep in the chemo cans. Tire fires, the lust for rust, and the steel of front chest of holy stone mass man. Lug nut neck, Sagi, metal care bears, crisis and charm. Man, now a 6-piece sword, spectacular lens, model rocket on the people of the moon. High in the numbers, it's the meth lab, nerve gas, right wing is tying off. New woods in a bird bath, rocket man, Reagan versus Liberace, the barbarian. Indeed, it promises to be a rocky ride into the math myth. How about a nice big round of applause for the unreasonable big bucks baseball hero, walking the beat in the antique soft flat life, black theme park through reclaim shit on replay, speed in steel jaw, still trap, skin off the same mass, heat lamps, track us cross the course and UV flashlight like an automated sprinkler, killing a kid on the lawn. Killing a kid on the lawn, killing a kid on the lawn. The magnet spins as we come on sex. We don't care if it's curtains. I shall die. No servants, death and son. Love unconditional. The magnet spins as we come on sex. We don't care if it's curtains.
You're gonna get him all money like he's been going mud womping.
Watch out!